AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender, EX3700. Take the extender out of the box and place it near your Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong signal during the setup process. Plug the extender into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn green, indicating it's ready for setup. On your device, laptop, phone, or tablet, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, which usually appears as netgear_ext. Open a browser on the connected device and type http://www.mywifiext.net or http://192.168.1.250 into the address bar to access the extender's setup page. You'll be prompted to log in or create a Netgear account, which helps you manage the device and access support if needed. The setup wizard will automatically start. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin configuring the extender. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz if applicable. Input your home Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect and extend the range of your existing network. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a spot halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Thank you for watching.